For this assignment, you're going to be considering what the net force is. The video should have talked about net force and that a force is a push or pull. We will elaborate on that further in future lessons. But if we have person A that's pushing on this block and with a force of 39 newtons, and we have a person that's pulling on this block with a force of 22 newtons, both forces are going to the right. And with that, you're going to add them together. Now, in other situations, you might have a case where they're not going in the same direction and both of these people are pulling, they're fighting over it. So the forces are going in opposite directions. And if the forces are going in opposite directions, you're going to have to subtract, and whichever one is bigger, that's the direction that the net force is going to be going into. The bottom ones have more forces acting on it, but in the end, you should be able to figure out what the final net force is going to be. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will let you know that a force, which we'll talk about a little bit later, force equals mass times acceleration. And when we talked about, and force is measured in newtons, which newtons is just kilograms, kilograms are mass, times meters per second squared. So that is where newtons comes from, but instead of having to write this big long label, we just use newtons. So you will be coming across that more often in the future, but for now you're just going to be working with like labeling the stuff as newtons.